If you're tired of your bins smelling bad and wasting time washing them, which I bet is how most people feel, you need BagEZ. BagEZ isolates and confines the yucky stuff you throw in, like food waste and pet poop, and stops it from touching, sticking to, and stinking up your container. Here's how it works. The advantage of BagEZ is that it allows you to use any size of readily available and affordable trash bag, even the ones that don't fit over your can's wide opening. It's a DIY heirs dream tool just because it has so many useful applications. But all that left for you to do here is to clip the bag onto the frame and hang it in your bin using the raised edges. With that done, it's ready to use. So go ahead and toss your nasty stuff in. If it's gross and can stink, bag it. Simple, eh? Everything else about the way you use your bin stays the same. Nothing changes. The frame splits and turns your can into a dual container, letting you use your can to capacity by providing ample room to deposit waste like clean household trash, bulky items like boxes, and home-bagged waste directly into your bin, just like you normally would. It's that easy. To free or replace full bags, simply pull off the clips and seal the bag securely to prevent anything escaping, and add a new bag if needed. As a reminder to remove the frame before placing your can curbside for the garbage truck, we provide you with a large, brightly colored bin lid sticker that acts as a visual indicator. Finally, before clipping on a new bag and placing BagEZ back in your bin, we recommend antibacterial spray to kill germs and lingering odors. It's a little tip that will get you professional quality results. Now, unlike washing a bin, we both know it has never stopped the dirt, filth, and smell from returning to trash cans. BagEZ is designed to be a more efficient, long-term, low-cost, hassle-free bin maintenance solution. Whether you have green bins or trash carts, you can use BagEZ's patented waste management system to say goodbye to wasting time, using harmful chemicals, and wasting water to maintain them. BagEZ gives your bins 24/7 protection from everything nasty, and it's available now $19.99. To learn more, please visit bagez.com, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.